equations. Solving systems of linear equation.
Kane is in the building, nigga.
Solving systems of linear equation using elimination, linear combination. Eliminate a variable to solve for the other, either x or y, xy, xy. Check the equations out, like if it's a chick, it should look like this. This ain't no trick. Gotta be in standard form. 12 on the other side, 14 on the other side, yeah. What you get left is 4x plus 4y equals negative 12, and the other equation is negative 4x minus 6y equals negative 14. Ooh, 0, you shouldn't be all alone. Here, have a number all for your own. Ooh, a hard one. I'm here at the G-spot. Call Mr. Havinus for help, or your grade drops. Given the two equations, check them out clearly. Try it both together. See if there are any variables that cancel out dearly. Get left with the setup, either x or y on one side. Then you divide the coefficients from both sides. The variable here equals 1 for y.
Now knowing one of the values for x or y, you plug into any of the equations. That's right. Solve the system. Multiply, add, subtract, and divide by both sides to find the complete x and y. Find the points of x and y.
Ooh, I know math is all up in you, so don't feel like a fool. Mister's at the G-spot, ask him for help now, otherwise he will make your grade drop. Ooh,
Here's a hard one with fractions. Don't panic. Look at the equation. Get rid of the denominator by multiplying it on both sides. The fraction's denominator cancels out. During this affects variables numbers out. Fractions, which in this case is 7 multiplied on 1. Put the two equations in standard form. X and y on the same side. When you come across this type of problem, what you have to do is multiply by a positive scalar multiple, meaning find the multiple of either variable in both equations. Then you add them equations together. So check the equation out like if it's a chick. It should look like this. This ain't no trick. Find the multiple of x or y, x, y, x, y. By multiplying the whole equation with the least common multiple. In this case, multiply numbers 8 and 9 on the right one. In the end, when you add the equations together, negative 72x cancels with positive 72x. So what you gotta do is the hard one, not the soft one. Y is left on one side, so you divide from both sides. The variable should equal 7 for y. Now knowing one of the values of x or y, you plug it into any of the equations. That's right. So the system multiply, add, subtract, and then divide by both sides to find the points of x and y.
I know math is all up in you, so don't feel like a fool. Mister's at the G-spot, ask him for help now, otherwise he will make your grade drop. Ooh.